Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and say goodbye to couch stains when you get this dog cover blanket by Ameritex. They are absolutely waterproof. I have done the waterproof test. They just bead right off. And if it does absorb into the couch cover, it definitely does not leak through to the other side. So when my dog is licking herself due to some allergies, you will see lick marks on the couch cover, but my couch is completely protected. In fact, as it dries, it does not even leave a stain. Now, they do tend to move a little bit, but I definitely find that because they are stiffer, they move much less than a blanket does. So if you want to avoid stains on your couch due to your puppy or little ones, I definitely recommend these couch covers. They come in multiple colors. They're reversible, waterproof, washable, everything you absolutely need in a cover for your couch. And that's my point of view.